Okay, here goes. Little chief challenge. Looking at this on my side screen, so that's what I'm referencing. All right, so I know already I need a polyline that's 22 by 22. And that's going to be my molding P line. And from there, let's convert this to 3D molding polyline. Yeah, let's replace this. Let's find that OG. I'm going to make this 6 inches by 1 inch. And I don't want to extrude inside polyline, so there we go. That's our 24, and then we can copy, paste, hold, simplify, convert to 3D solid, and it looks like these are 2¼ inch, so 2.25, and finished floor to bottom is going to be 6 inches for this guy. Now I want to copy this guy over and figure out what this angle is. So I'm going to do multiple copy, and I've got my object set to 12, and then take it 90 degrees so that I can take one of these and simplify and break this and grab what this angle is, copy. Okay, so now I can take this solid and let's make 12 copies of this. Let's move it in the Z delta 2.25, and we're going to paste that angle. There we go. So now I want to take this molding right here, and I'm actually just going to convert this real quick to a fixture interior. Let me place it back in plan. Let me center it up again. Let's just make sure it's 0 to bottom, yes, and then we'll make a copy of it. Paste hold, that's fine. I did this a little goofy, but 41.25. And let's pull a camera, see where I'm at. Okay, so this needs to go down 6 inches is what it is. Oh, come on. This is where Chief kills me, man. These undos take too long. Okay, that's that. Let me just, I'm gonna type in RD brick. I don't know what material that is. You didn't provide that material for me, so we're just gonna have to do it this way. All right, so now I want to place that mailbox, and I might have time to do something kind of goofy with this. Let me place this mailbox, and let me open up the symbol class, and maybe we'll get into smoothing and set this to 360, and then use my delete surface tool. Set my rendering a little different. I'm going to get rid of all this junk, and maybe we'll turn this into a cabinet. We'll be super trick with this. So let's convert this to a cabinet door drawer, add to library, show advanced options. And I want my bounding box to be inside of this thing. Also, first of all, I need to rotate this a couple times, and I need to offset this by the depth, 15 and 5/16. And actually, I need to subtract 3/4 of an inch from that. Right, so, and maybe actually we'll add 3/8 of an inch. Kind of bring it, oops. There we go, something like that. Okay, so next thing is sizing wise, let's go minus 1.5 inches from this and minus 3/4 or 3, I don't know, 3/8 from there. See what that bounding box is doing. Okay, so it's giving me a little bit of frame. Now I need to minus from the width. Let's go minus 1.5 inches. Now I know that this is going to be inside of that, but yeah, this looks pretty good. What is this? This is a 12 by 12 by what? 15. So let me drop this in here. Let's go, let's delete this molding. Let's make this 12, 12, 15. Box construction is going to be, let's go frameless, I guess, inset. Sure, we're just going to do the quick and dirty version of this. Let's go top hinge, hinge bottom, actually. Let me set this open to 76 degrees, and then let me split this, and I want to make sure that these are slab doors and then that they've got no door handle. Let's delete this blank area here. Back in box construction. What do we have framed? I'm gonna actually make this like 1/4 inch, something like that. That looks, oops, missed it. Quarter inch, something like that. Okay. Now, I want to go to the back, make a custom face. I'm going to set this to a door panel. Let's see what that looks like. Let's go floor to bottom. Actually, wants to be 41.25. There we are. Cabinet door drawer. Let's get in the component replacement mode. I think that's pretty slick. I'm going to actually resize this. I think I'm going to resize this. No. That right? Yeah, no, this is right. Okay, so let's just go full room, full plan. Why not? Let's paint the whole thing. This needs to go up 6 inches. This should center on right there. Why not? Center on there. Then we got to get some solids in here. There's a kind of a goofy solid right here that's all over the place. Looks like whoever drew this originally was a little bit off with theirs too, so not too worried about it. There we go. And let me draw one more of these angled solids. Let's just draw it in. Well, we could draw it in plan view. So let's go. Looks like this is going to be 1 inch. And let's make this, I don't know, something like 14. Okay, and then this particular line, I want to open this up, and we know that the angle of this line is going to be 2 in 12. Right? And so we could take that second angle, dupe it over. Let's just make sure that this is 2 inches. Actually, we want it to be 1 inch. 1 inch. Means it's snapping all the way up there. Now we can convert this to a 3D solid. Yep. Okay. Get back to that camera view. I like this view. Trying to get the center. I hate how difficult it is to get the center in this program. Why? Why can't I get it? Come on. Nothing references. There we go. And let's go. Floor to bottom is going to be, I don't know, 50. Might be able to select that, move it up. That's looking about right. Yeah, that looks about right. I want to copy, paste, hold. I'm going to take this, subtract this one. That's fine. To be able to delete that. Paste, hold this, move it up 1 inch, and resize it. Right? Okay. What do we got? Last bit was needed to do this. And let's take a little steel from this concrete here. Oh, and we had that leftover molding. There we go, people. Bam. What's our time tracker at? 9 minutes and 7 seconds. Got 1 minute to do this right here. Open that up and paint this interior. Pretty slick. Pretty slick, people. Pretty slick. Let's put that line over. Okay. And we get to stop this time tracker just so I could save it. Cool.